Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one Faucet website. You can claim every 1 second 1 Satoshi. That website pay you much more, a lot Bitcoin instantly in your Faucetpay. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website link available in description. This website pay you earn up to this much BTC every 0 second, and don't use VPN or anything else. And this is very easy. This is the payment the website pay you. Just copy your Bitcoin wallet address from your Faucetpay, go to your deposit, copy this one, okay, come to this website, paste in here. This website link available in description. This is new website. Just type spoon snap line. Sometimes the website didn't show you because the cursor is on the top of this box. Just solve this captcha, okay, and wait 3 seconds and just click get reward, and you will be receive your free Satoshi. This website pay me 1 Satoshi to my Faucetpay. I go to my Faucetpay overview. This website pay you instantly in your Faucetpay. This is one of the best way you can see, and you can reload again, and you can solve the capture again, and you can earn again too. Okay, this is one of the best Faucet website. I love to work with this website. If you have a lot of time, you can just work with this website, okay, and maybe if you work all a day, you can earn much more, okay. And you can see again, and just I click get reward. You can see again this website pay me my 1 Satoshi, okay. This is all about the level. This is all levels, okay. You will be reach the users, okay. The users come, your level going to up, and you can earn much more. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from this website. You can see I reload again, and you can see this website pay me again. This is all my payment I receive from this website yearly, like this, and you can reload again and again. And this is the wonderful website I share with you. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Bye bye for now.